Hey, I'm Caleb Green and this is my story. I'm from Northern Virginia and I am a window tinter. I got into window tinting a couple years ago. Previous job was in microelectronics for 20 years, got laid off and looking for something else to do, something that was fun. So went to school for window tinting and here we are today. Got established with my own business in Front Royal, Virginia. I deal with the customers. We take their phone calls. We talk to them before their appointment, after their appointment, and we do all the window tinting, hand cutting, or plotter cutting window film. Later years, I don't want to do that forever. I want to have multiple stores and a retirement plan. So I found Mike Burke through an interview with Eric DeVosh on Tint and hooked up with Mike to partner with Sunstoppers. Positive information, positive vibes. Gave Mike a call the next day, and here we are today, getting coaching, training, marketing, branding, partnering up, and making things happen. We started out with simply window tint, and now with Sunstoppers, we're able to branch out into ceramic coatings and paint protection film. I have Mike and their team. They come up to your shop once you get established with them, and they will train you, show you the ins and outs of the paint protection, the ceramic coating, even the coaching on dealing with customers and trying to make improvements there from getting more leads, therefore more volume through a shop, being efficient, how to be more efficient, getting film laid out, getting film on the vehicle, shop layouts, store layouts, what have you.
Hey guys, we're here with Caleb Green at Sunstoppers, Northern Virginia. This guy calls me up one day and says, man, how do I become a Sunstoppers? And I said, man, you called the right guy. We're gonna turn you into a phenomenal shop, an actual juggernaut in the window tinting industry. It's gonna be amazing. He sits up here and does unbelievable work. He's an artist, a craftsman, and loves what he does. And I'm just so happy to be able to work with guys like Caleb because he has such a passion for the industry and he wants to grow. And through Sunstoppers, we can do the marketing, we can do the back-end support that a lot of these tint shop owners just don't have time to do. They're tinting windows, they're answering the phone, they're dealing with customers, they're running a business, and those businesses need support. So with Sunstoppers, we have a team of people that can support our dealers, and I'm interviewing Caleb today to see how his experience has been with Sunstoppers so far, and would he do it again? He's been with us how long?
Couple months now.
Couple months. Caleb's been with us a couple of months. We sent him some graphics, we got him some business cards, we got him some display boards. We're just kind of starting to slowly transform his business from, and what was your business called?
All-inclusive window tinting.
All-inclusive window tinting. It's a great brand. People up here understand the brand and they know it, but he didn't get a whole lot of outreach probably past 5 miles of his shop. It was just a good old boy, network. There was probably not that much advertising going on. With Sunstoppers, we're kind of like racing fuel. We really just want to come in and just add a little fuel to the fire, make the fire bigger, and your goals will actually become my goals. And every shop that we visit, Caleb, every shop owner has different goals. I have a shop right now that's been in negotiations with me about just, and I say this term, mail me their tinter, because the shop is so busy. They're incredibly busy and they can't have the time for the owners and the tinters to train the future tinters.
Right.
Okay, you understand what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, so you're busy, you've got the phone ringing, you got customers coming in here. You really don't have the time when a customer's waiting in your showroom to kind of show a rookie how to tint windows, right?
That's right.
Yeah, I mean, it's actually very hard. So what's happened is I got some very skilled window tinting shops that are partnering with Sunstoppers, not only for the marketing, but the SEO, the lead generation, the back-end texting software, the discounts on all the film, the discounts on just about everything that we do, from shirts to pins to hats to anything that you need. We're here as a support network for our dealers. And we also will train them in paint protection, window tinting, and ceramic coating. We have guys, I had 6 guys in 2 weeks ago that were doing tint training at the store. We work 9 to 9 every single day, boot camp, doing push-ups, going crazy, ripping off tint, and just having a blast. It's amazing. I actually enjoy doing the tint training and the paint protection. So tell me about paint protection.
I've never done it.
Okay, so here's a cool story. We have a shop that's mainly a tint shop. He joined Sunstoppers, and within how many days did you get a lead for this customer that we're working on here?
You know, let me think. Maybe 14, 15 days when
Wow.
we got that lead in.
That's incredible. So what happened is you added onto our website, and we turned around and got organic leads for Teslas and Lexuses and all types of different cars. This lead came into our corporate office through our lead generation organic system, and it's a full body Model Y Tesla. And that customer wanted to get paint protection and ceramic coating and window tint. Our home office originated through a lead generation form off our website, which emailed us the customer's database and said, hey, we reached out to this customer, we called you and said, how would you like for us to sell this customer for you?
Yes.
And you were like, sure, no problem,
Absolutely.
right? So Thad is one of our sales management team. He closed the customer and sold a ceramic coating job and a stealth matte wrap on entire vehicle. I turned around, thought this was a great idea to come up here and hang out with you today. So I personally worked on the car with Charles Marshall, one of my lead techs and partners in this business. And we drove up here and wrapped this car in paint protection. Now, how's your experience watching the paint protection experience?
And the experience has been great.
Awesome.
We did a bumper together.
Yeah.
We did a front bumper.
Yeah.
We did the side of the car.
Yeah.
You and I.
Yeah. So Caleb over here is getting his feet wet. The customer needs to pick up his car in a reasonable amount of time, so I can't do too much training. But we did hang a bumper. You helped me peel. You helped me stick it. You rolled some edges. You turned around and understood the difference between the water alcohol, the soapy solution, and
the gel.
And the gel. Let's not forget the gel, Charles Marshall. Now, we have a couple technicians that use different solutions. We don't really choose the solution. We actually choose what's the result. Was the customer happy? And it's really all we care about is happy customers.
Exactly.
It's not how you put it on, it's how it looks when it's done, right?
That's right.
Absolutely. So we're happy to come up here, work with Caleb, look at the shop, go around, see your processes, learn a little bit about paint protection, and the support that Sunstoppers now has with the smaller dealers. This is a one-bay shop. It's phenomenal. I love it. It's clean. It reminds me where I started. Everyone started somewhere in this business.
That's right.
Either in a truck, a car wash, a mechanic lube. Everybody started tinting windows somewhere. Not everybody can have the 10,000 square foot shop, and Instagram makes it look so beautiful. Trust me, I've been doing this for 32 years and I'm just now got cool looking shops.
Right.
Okay? So guys, if you do it in 5 years or 10 years, you're beating me. You already kicked my butt. Because I was just in shops just like this a couple of years ago running Sunstoppers, and we decided to take things to the next level, hiring a team to support guys like you. We look forward to you joining Sunstoppers or calling and inquiring. If you don't want to join Sunstoppers, we still do business development coaching. We do advertising, SEO, Instagram post. We also do Instagram ads, Facebook ads, and Google ads. We're here to support the window tinting industry. That's really what I'm trying to do.
Hey, if you want to be successful, call Mike Burke, Sunstoppers.
Brother, this is my man. We're gonna tint windows and we're gonna have fun. And look at that smile. I can't see it through the beard.
It's there.
Y'all be good. Take care.